This is Alicia from One Blushing Bride. I design handcrafted wedding veils for an elegant walk down the aisle. Now, how do you get married outside in a veil without worrying about your veil ripping out of your hair in the wind just going crazy? Well, veil weights are a really great solution, especially if you're wearing a long wedding veil. As you can see, it's very easy to attach these. You can buy veil weights at a salon, or you can buy them from me. They're very easy to attach, and you can scatter them throughout your veil, or you can do them just on the edges depending on your personal preference. Make sure to check out the link in the description below so that you can grab your ultimate wedding veil style guide that I will send to you right away. This way you can feel beautiful and confident walking down the aisle, and you can do it without having some mini bridal breakdowns.